Your winter is about to change in ways you have not seen in years. Right now, a dangerous storm is tearing through the southeast with damaging winds and tornadoes possible through tonight. But that is just the beginning. Tomorrow, everything flips. The entire weather pattern across America shifts, and what comes next will affect millions from coast to coast. Here is what you need to know. Two major winter storms are heading our way next week. The first will dump up to 8 feet of snow in the mountains. That is 96 inches, enough to bury a car, and it will trigger rare, severe weather along the west coast. Then, as that storm crosses the Rockies, a massive winter threat develops across the Midwest and Northeast. Snow, ice, travel, chaos for millions. And there is a second storm right behind it. At the same time, some areas will see record-breaking warmth. Temperatures 40 degrees above average. In Kansas City, we could hit 75 degrees in mid-February when the average high is only 38. This temperature contrast will fuel the most volatile weather pattern we have seen this winter. Right now, across Florida, Georgia, and Alabama, we have a heightened risk of severe weather. Damaging winds, a few tornadoes possible through this evening. Over 3 million people are under severe thunderstorm watches. If you are heading to the Daytona 500 today, stay alert. The race should finish before the worst arrives, but after 7 p.m. tonight, a powerful line of thunderstorms will push through Daytona Beach, Orlando, and Tampa. This is happening right now. Let me give you the exact timing because timing is everything with severe weather. As of 5 p.m. Eastern, thunderstorms are already moving through Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. These storms are producing damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour and embedded tornadoes. We have already had several tornado warnings this afternoon. By 5 p.m., this line approaches Savannah and Jacksonville. Evening rush hour could be dangerous with torrential rain reducing visibility to near zero. By 7 p.m. tonight, the storms reach Orlando, Tampa, and Daytona Beach. This is after the Daytona 500 ends, but if you are in the area, take shelter immediately if warnings are issued. Overnight tonight into Monday morning, the line pushes south toward Fort St. Lucie and Miami with weakening intensity, then falls apart. By Monday morning at 7 a.m., the East Coast clears out, but do not relax yet. Here is where things get crazy. Tomorrow, Monday, the severe weather threat flips from the East Coast to the West Coast. Yes, you heard that right. California faces a rare 2% tornado risk. Areas around Los Angeles and San Francisco could see tornadoes Monday afternoon around 2 to 5 p.m. Pacific. When was the last time you heard that? In Los Angeles, the last significant tornado was back in March 2023. But the bigger story out west is the massive amount of rain and snow. We are talking 5 to 8 feet of snow in the Sierra Nevada and Cascades. That is 60 to 96 inches. For perspective, the average person is 5 feet 6 inches tall. This snow would completely bury them. Higher elevations above 7,000 feet could see 10 feet. Mammoth Mountain expects 60 to 84 inches. Flooding rainfall is a major concern along the coast. San Francisco could see 4 to 6 inches of rain Monday through Tuesday, more rain than the entire typical February month. Burn scar areas from last year, wildfires face extreme flash flood risk. Northern California, Oregon, Washington should prepare for major travel disruptions. Mountain passes will be completely impassable Monday through Thursday. Interstate 80 and Highway 50 both close. Monday afternoon around Los Angeles between 2 and 5 p.m. Pacific, have multiple ways to receive tornado warnings on your phone. Now let me walk you through what happens next because this affects your entire week. Monday evening, moisture pushes over the Rockies. Tuesday brings high winds across the Central Plains. Kansas, Nebraska, the Dakotas, expect winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts over 50. Tuesday night into Wednesday, the snow arrives. Heavy snow hits North Dakota, northern Minnesota, and the upper peninsula of Michigan. 3 to 7 inches likely, some areas seeing 10 or more. Wednesday evening, the storm splits. In the Northeast, a new low develops. Vermont, upstate New York, New Hampshire see 4 to 8 inches Wednesday night through Thursday morning. Some freezing rain possible. Boston sees light accumulation. New York City gets mostly rain. Late Wednesday into Thursday, another system develops. This one impacts tens of millions. Thursday afternoon, scattered thunderstorms from Illinois to the mid-Atlantic and Carolinas. Charlotte, Raleigh, Richmond expect strong storms with heavy rain. Meanwhile, heavier snow hits Minnesota and the Dakotas Thursday. Minneapolis sees another 3 to 5 inches. The forecast keeps this north of Chicago for now, but models could shift south. Chicago, you might see accumulating snow Thursday night into Friday. Friday brings potential severe weather to the Tennessee Valley. Nashville, Memphis, Birmingham, watch for thunderstorms late Friday into Saturday. Light snow continues across the Central Plains and Great Lakes. Snowfall totals for the next 7 days. Upper Midwest, 3 to 7 inches. Northeast 4 to 8 inches in higher elevations. Chicago 1 to 2 inches, possibly more depending on the storm track. Let me give you city-specific forecasts. Southeast, Atlanta, severe weather ends Monday morning, then temperatures climb to 75 to 80 degrees Tuesday and Wednesday, 25 to 30 degrees above average. Miami, Fort Lauderdale. See thunderstorms overnight tonight, then sunshine returns with low 80s all week. Jacksonville, Savannah face highest thunderstorm risk 5 to 8 p.m. tonight with heavy rain and damaging winds. Charlotte, Raleigh watch for scattered strong thunderstorms Thursday afternoon. Midwest and Great Lakes, Chicago sees 60-degree temperatures Monday through Wednesday, 40 degrees above average. Thursday brings a cold front with possible snow, 1 to 3 inches if the storm tracks south. Friday temperatures drop to low 30s. Minneapolis gets heavy snow Wednesday, 3 to 7 inches, plus another 2 to 4 inches Thursday. Total, 5 to 10 inches. Difficult travel midweek. Detroit sees light snow Wednesday evening under 2 inches, another chance Friday. Milwaukee mirrors Chicago with warm early week, then colder with possible snow Thursday and Friday under 2 inches. Kansas City hits 75 degrees Tuesday and Wednesday, 40 degrees above average with possible record highs. Dramatic cool down Thursday and Friday to upper 30s. Northeast Boston gets light snow Wednesday evening, coating to 1 inch in the city, 2 to 4 inches north and west. New York City sees mostly rain Wednesday, maybe brief wet snow with no accumulation. Suburbs north of the city get 1 to 3 inches. Philadelphia receives rain Wednesday, no city snow, but Poconos and Lehigh Valley see 3 to 6 inches. Burlington, Vermont expects 6 to 10 inches Wednesday evening through Thursday morning, higher elevations possibly a foot. Difficult Thursday morning travel. Buffalo continues lake effect snow all week, additional 3 to 5 inches plus Wednesday and Friday systems, total 6 to 12 inches. West Coast and mountain states, Los Angeles, San Diego, face rare tornado risk. Monday afternoon, plus heavy rain and possible flash flooding in burn areas. 2 to 4 inches rainfall along coast. Significant snow above 6,000 feet. San Francisco, Sacramento get heavy rain Monday through Tuesday with flooding concerns. Sierra Nevada receives 5 to 8 feet of snow. Donner Pass, Echo Summit, Tioga Pass, all closed multiple days. No mountain travel Monday through Wednesday. Portland, Seattle. See heavy rain Monday and Tuesday, 3 to 6 inches total. Urban and small stream flooding likely. Cascades get 4 to 7 feet of snow. Denver stays breezy and mild with highs near 60. Light snow possible Thursday. Salt Lake City similar. Mild early week, then light snow Thursday and Friday. Wasatch Resort see another 6 to 12 inches. Boise receives light to moderate snow Monday and Tuesday, 3 to 6 inches, then clearing. Major outdoor events this week. Daytona 500 finishes before severe weather. Green flag, 2:13 p.m. Eastern. Race done by 6:30 or 7 p.m. Mardi Gras in New Orleans looks great all week, mostly dry with low 70s. Fat Tuesday, February 17th brings partly cloudy and mild, perfect parade weather. NBA All-Star Game Los Angeles next Saturday sees improving conditions after Monday storms, partly cloudy and 68 degrees. Next week, outlook. Models show possible Arctic blast arriving February 22nd or 23rd, well below average temperatures for central and eastern states. Highs in the teens and 20s from Dakotas to Great Lakes, 30s and 40s as far south as Texas. Still 7 to 10 days out, much can change. More details tomorrow. What you need to do now. Southeast tonight, have ways to receive weather warnings, tornadoes possible through evening. California, prepare for Monday storm, stock essentials, travel difficult. Upper Midwest, ready for Wednesday through Friday snow. Central states, enjoy record warmth, much colder air coming. Comment below where you are watching from. I want to give you personalized forecasts tomorrow. Miami worried about cruise weather, Chicago planning weekend travel, Seattle dealing with flooding. Let me know. This is the most active weather pattern all winter. Multiple storms, severe weather, record heat, heavy snow all in 1 week. The contrast is remarkable. Some areas 40 degrees above average while others prepare for blizzards. Tomorrow's video covers the Friday storm and possible Arctic blast next week in detail. Subscribe so you do not miss it. We might go live later today if conditions warrant. Hit the bell for notifications. Western Nebraska has barely seen half an inch of snow all winter. This week might finally bring accumulation to abnormally dry areas. Kansas and Oklahoma desperately need moisture too. Stay safe, especially southeast tonight and California tomorrow. This is serious. Take warning seriously. Have multiple alert methods. Check back tomorrow for full updates on the rest of the week and that potential Arctic blast. The weather is changing,